In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet lists in Notion. Bullet lists are one of the quickest ways to organize ideas, jot down tasks, and keep notes tidy in Notion, and you only need a couple of keystrokes to get started. Begin on any Notion page where you want your list to live. Place your cursor on a new line, then type a dash followed by a space. The moment you hit the spacebar, Notion automatically converts that line into a bullet point. You'll see a small dot appear, which means you're ready to type your first item. Add your content right after that bullet, anything from a quick reminder to a full sentence. This tiny shortcut is both fast and consistent, so it's perfect for capturing thoughts without breaking your flow. Once you've completed that first bullet, press Enter to move to the next line. Notion will instantly create a new bullet point for you. This automatic continuation makes list building incredibly smooth. You can keep typing and pressing Enter to add as many bullets as you need, one after another, without having to remember extra commands. It's great for meeting notes, checklists, agendas, or brainstorming sessions where ideas come quickly and you want each one on its own line. If you want to add more structure, you can create a sub-bullet point to nest details under a main idea. With your cursor on a bullet you've already created, press Tab. Notion will indent that bullet and turn it into a sub-bullet beneath the one above it. This is useful for grouping related details or breaking a big task into smaller pieces while keeping everything visually connected. For example, a main bullet might be a project phase, and the sub-bullets could outline specific steps or key points. As you continue typing and pressing Enter on that sub-bullet level, Notion will keep the hierarchy, so your nested list stays organized and easy to scan. Using these simple actions, dash plus space to start a bullet, Enter to keep the list going, and Tab to create sub-bullets, you can build clear, structured notes without interrupting your momentum. This approach keeps your page readable and helps you find information faster later on. That's all you need to add bullet lists in Notion. Practice these keystrokes a few times, and they'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized Notion workspace.